quiet now, class. I just want to tell you, y'all have been great this semester. It's not over yet. Tomorrow is the big day. All right, it's the final exam. Hope to see you guys soon in uniform in the hospitals out there. All right, best of luck to you all.
Social behavior. Why didn't you tell me before? Why didn't you just say, hey, let's talk about social behavior? Okay, I don't see anything on drugs here. I mean, where am I supposed to look? Oh, God. Hour. I don't think I'm gonna get anything done here in this house. It's not exactly made for studying for your finals. Okay, see you there.
What's that all about, Brian?
What? Nothing. It was the wrong number. Some stupid undergrad up at school.
It hardly sounded like a wrong number to me.
Come on, Mom. You don't have to be jealous. I love you, too.
I hope that wasn't that...
I'm a good prank call. Don't worry about it.
...that AIDS-carrying girl in your class.
Mom, shit! Now, if you don't want to have a nice, normal conversation with me, just say it. So let me get my shoes, and you don't have to put up with me.
Where are you? You sound like you're outside or something.
No, I'm not outside yet, but I will be in a few minutes. You know, the same old shit with my mom. Like, I don't know, like she won't let me be who I am. Like, I have to be something, I don't know, some kind of perfect idea of what a child is supposed to be to her.
Daddy. Dad, you're snoring.
No.
Daddy, as you are, as usual.
No.
Dad, I just came to say hi quickly. I'm just... It's okay, it's just me, Kaimit. Wake up. I'm just saying hello quickly. I'm gonna leave. I have to go to the library to study for a little while. I have to go to the library and study. I'm just a few moments away from becoming your Dr. Gregoire. So I'm gonna grab something in the kitchen and I'm gonna head out. Okay? What? Daddy. Dad. Get changed out of these clothes. Okay? Alright, I love you. Get changed, Daddy. Wake up.
Are you still on the phone?
I'll call you back, okay? Oh, God. Mom! Don't worry about it, I'll get to it. I've just been pretty busy, you know. I got a lot of things on my mind.
I'm supposed to meet her there. Thank you, Mr. Gregoire.
Oh, bless her.
Tell me you were going to the library with Brian. I tried to cover. Better call him. Bye.
I'm so very much in love with Bryant.
You finally give in.
Things are not going to be the way I like.
Oh, come on. Kaimi, you know you can handle it. Is everything okay? Is there anything wrong with his folks?
I think his mom doesn't like me. Because I'm Haitian.
Her loves Kaimi. We are very proud people and we make good partners and mothers. And we are very smart people.
How you doing?
Hi, Dad. Hi. How are you?
How's Grace
How was the day?
Pretty good. What time is it?
It's supposed to be at 4. We should be here shortly. We left a little early. That's why we're trying to eat, but at lunch.
Did you start?
Would you like to have a piece of pizza?
No, I'm good. I just, did you guys start?
Yeah, I had sweet potato.
Did you take the test?
You are.
Yeah. I'm going to church. Maybe you guys want to come?
Church, what time?
Hmm?
Church.
The Baptist church on 1/3. Let's do it.
Sounds good.
We're going to go ahead to Psalms 26 and 28. Everyone take out their Bibles and turn to that page.
I know you ace that test.
Of course I
But you did! I know it!
Oh, aren't you happy?
Oh, darling, we gotta take a drink. We gotta celebrate.
Daddy, we're not drinking for you.
Your daddy knew you were gonna taste that test. My, darling daughter from her daddy, who loves her very, very much.
I know.
Oh.
Thank you, Dad.
Oh, you like it?
I love it.
Oh.
Thank you.
You see this? Let your daddy put it in. This should not be taken out of your hands until that man come to me.
I'm not ready to get married. I'll be wearing this for a while. Oops, sorry. There you go.
Kaimi,
Yes, Dad.
you're talking to your daddy. I know, my girl.
Okay.
I know. Don't ever lie to your daddy. I know. And you better tell him I'll kill him!
Daddy, stop it.
I'll kill him!
Daddy, stop it. Thank you so much. It's beautiful. Thank you, Dad.
What kind of meat?
Maybe after graduation I'll see what happens, but I doubt it.
No.
We can just decide to focus on getting an apartment together now, and then I'll think about him after.
I didn't think about the kids and... Okay, I'm jumping the gun.
No, you are jumping the gun.
I know, but you're just so in love with him. It's sickening.
It's not sickening.
It is. What's your dad have to say about it?
My dad doesn't really know.
You haven't told him?
I just thought he wouldn't agree with it, so I just conveniently just didn't mention it.
Wow. I don't believe you.
You know how my dad is.
You can't even
that is
hold
why
water.
I need to move out now.
I know. It'll work out though. It'll work out.
It should be okay.
I
I'm
know.
excited.
Dice que la mujer es vida, mentira.
It's heavy? Oh my god. Try it.
Sure you won't?
No, it's
Okay, let me
crazy. It's heavy, isn't it?
not too bad.
Is it just me? It's only, oh my god, I can't even move it. Are you holding here?
If you can cannot lift this. What are you gonna do with Brian?
He's gonna lift me.
Okay.
I need to rest. I'm just not feeling myself.
I'll get you some ice cream.
Shayla, you did not have to bring anything for me. Thank you. There, sweetie.
Okay. This is to all your success.
Okay, I need that right now.
Toast.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Here. I'm trying. You seem sad. What's the matter? You know what you tell me. You will not go out of this room. You're like my daughter. I would never tell her.
I haven't heard from Brian since he left the house and spoke to my dad.
Oh, really?
I don't know what happened. He calls constantly. I've probably called out 7 times and I haven't gotten a response at all.
Have you talked to your dad?
I didn't bother asking.
So you don't know what the conversation was?
You know how Daddy is. He probably wouldn't tell me anyway.
Oh. Well, sweetheart, don't let it get you down, please. You probably just need to go take a nice warm bath and relax, okay? You know, your dolls. You always have them. Okay? And you have me. Okay? You know, you usually, tell me, you usually have all the dolls with you. Why do you only have that one? What's with this one?
I guess I like her because she reminds me of Bryant.
Really? Are we saying there's babies in the future?
I haven't even gotten a phone call.
He's gonna call. I know he is. Okay? Trust me, he's gonna call. And if this dog reminds you of Brian, hold her close. Okay?
Okay. Thanks, Shella. Shayla! Miss Shayla!
Miss Calumet, did you call me?
May I have a towel, please?
Sure. One moment.
Okay, thanks.
Ivy? Ivy?
Yes, Daddy?
You still in the shower?
I'm coming out.
Caimine?
Yes, Daddy?
Hurry up, I gotta pee!
Okay, I'm coming.
What are you doing? Don't take my job from me.
Okay, okay.
Daddy is waiting.
You know I have to be pretty for Brian.
I know, but your father's getting very itchy.
Daddy can wait a little bit.
Okay, hurry. Leave the stuff, I'll clean it up.
5 minutes. I have to be perfect. Hello?
Are you studying at home tonight?
I don't know if I'm coming. I have a lot of studying.
Well,
Well, why don't you show up and then when you get there, you'll know whether or not I came. I have a lot of studying. Why don't you show up, and then when you get there, you'll know whether or not I came.
Textbook, the page that goes with page 42 in the test prep guide. Yeah, the drug questionnaire. What page is it on?
I just got out of the shower. I gotta go.
You think we can meet at the library in like an hour?
The beige.
The beige? Okay. Oh, this is a perfect match. Oh, I love
Something in my
this.
tights. Shella, don't tell Daddy.
Oh, I won't. I won't do so.
I know you aced that test today.
Yes, Mom, I did.
I've been waiting for this news for a long time.
Mom, on my way to a better life now. I have the love of my life.
That's great. It's about time to bring her over.
You mean I can?
Well, of course you can. Violet is coming out of law school, and we were hoping that you'd ask her for her hand.
Violet? You think that I'm talking about Violet? No, Mom! I mean, come on, get it into your head. It's Kai meat. Okay, not Violet. It never was Violet. It never will be. I'm in love with Kai meat.
No! No! You're a doctor now! You can't be seen on the street with these kind of people! Maybe in school, but you cannot be seen outside with them!
You know that she's the one I'm in love with, and I was never in love with Violet. No matter what kind of shit you try to shove down my throat, it was never her. It was never Violet. Can't you understand that?
Damn it! No! No!
Mom!
You're a doctor now!
Mom, please, come on, just relax. Can you get used to this for once?
Be seen out with them?
Jesus.
No! No! I can never accept such a thing over my dead body! That girl is from Haiti, where the AIDS virus comes from!
Mom.
No!
I mean, pumps my heart, and I was hoping that you would ask her over for dinner. She helped me get through medical school, and she's a very sweet girl. I was hoping you'd see that.
No! No!
Can't take this anymore.
No! I'm gonna get out of here. I can't put up with this anymore, Mom.
Kaimi?
Can you meet me there?
Oh, I can't go out at this hour.
Well, why not?
It's too late. I'm sorry.
I need to talk to you.
Well, why don't you come by? We need to talk.
All right, all right.
Yes, Daddy?
Kaimi!
Yes, Daddy?
Let me speak to this young man. Yes, sir. What is it that you want to speak to us about?
I love her.
Young man, I know you are an admirer of my daughter. She told me you're a funny guy. No more joke. Her mother is a very sophisticated lady, just like she. Now, let me know. What is it that you want me to know?
No more joke. Understand?
Yes.
I'm going to go away with Kaimi for a trip. So if you have something to say, young man, Let's hear it now.
I promise, sir. Yes, sir.
What do you mean?
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, thank you.
Let me tell you something, my man. I love my daughter very dearly. I cannot afford any jerk coming to play with her heart. Understand?
Kai meat, by me, everything will be fine.
Oh, well, we're leaving for Haiti in 2 days. Are you serious?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are going to be my guest, not my daughter's guest. Understand? Deal?
Deal.
Okay. Deal.
Thank you, thank you.
Thursday morning, 10 a.m. We're leaving sharp. Okay. Okay.
Mom, what's wrong? Are you okay? Mom, come on, say something. Mom? 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 Mom! Wake up! Answer the phone, damn it. 911, hey, hello. I'm a doctor. My mom is sick. Something's wrong with her.
Year-old female patient, irregular heartbeat. The tests are in process. Thank you.
Colette Jacques. Madaka, what? Yes. C'est nous. Toujours biwo. Yes.
I mean, this is Brian. I'm sorry that I missed the flight. I know that I really wanted to go with you, and I really wanted to spend this time with your family, but my mom had a heart attack, and I had to take her to the hospital. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. Please call me back as soon as you can. Meet. This is Brian again. Mom's doing better, but I know you may not understand, but I need to stay here. I mean, you have no idea how lonely I am right now. So lonely I'm actually sleeping in my mom's bed. I hope you're having a good time, and I love you so much, and I miss her even more. You don't know how I feel right now. I love you.
This is Brian again. I got some good news. My mom has stabilized, but the thing is I can't leave yet. I have to stay here for... I have to make sure she's okay. Please call me back. Bye.
Hello? Kaimi? I can't hear you. Speak up. How are you doing? My mom is in the hospital, but she's gosh, she's doing better, but I can't hear you. I mean, scream, yell, whatever it takes. I just want to hear your voice right now. What? What? Your dad did what? What are you saying, sweetie? I can't hear you. You said that he had a heart attack too. Say that again. That's what you're saying? Oh my God. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry I couldn't come with you. Are you okay? Are you okay? I can't hear you. It sounds like you're a million miles away. No. Just tell me this isn't. Oh God. I'm sorry, sweetie. I'm sorry I couldn't be there with you. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. And that I'll always be there for you, and I'll take care of you. I'll do whatever it takes to make sure you're okay. I'm sorry.
This man was a great man, and I knew him through his loving daughter. Only a great man can give birth to such a wonderful and perfect child. I am truly sorry, my man, for that I did not have a chance to visit with the family. I know you would want me to do what I did. Stand by my mom while she was sick. I had to be by her side. I pray that you would bless me the day when I was ready to take your daughter's hand. But you let go of the deal. I dreamt that we would make the best team for our grandchildren, and now you left Kaimi and I by ourselves. Be strong, my man, you said to me that night. I want you to give me the strength, for I need you. I have to take charge. It is a big responsibility, Kaimi, and also her mom, and Mrs. Gregoire. My God. Help me. I have to do it. Yes, I will. Kaimit, by me everything will be fine. My father, you are the most loving person I have ever known. For a short time, but it feels like a lifetime. Father, in my heart, I always love you, man. Peace.
Dominique, do you think Brian is going to marry Tati?
Maybe. They love each other.
But one is white and one is black. Are they gonna be happy?
Of course. They love each other. They can be happy. There's no difference in color. Love has no color.